Hello everyone! In this video, we will go through one of the most important Google ranking factors, the canonical tags. A canonical tag is an HTML element that tells search engines which page is the original version of a page with duplicate content. This helps search engines index the correct page and prevents duplicate content penalties. Although canonical tags' purpose is to tell search engines which page is the original page, search engines also use canonical tags to index the page's URL, meaning every page should have a canonical tag. Canonical tags are added to the head section of a page using the following syntax. The href attribute of the canonical tag specifies the URL of the original page. Canonical tags are essential for SEO because they help to prevent duplicate content issues and index the correct URL for the page. Duplicate content is when multiple pages on a website have the same or very similar content. This can happen for several reasons, such as when a website has different versions of a page for other devices or when a website has multiple pages that cover the same topic. Duplicate content can cause many problems for search engines. First, it can make it difficult for search engines to determine which version of a page is the most important. This can lead to the wrong page being ranked in search results. Second, duplicate content can dilute the authority of a page. This means the page will not rank as well as it would if it were the only version of the content. Canonical tags help solve the problem of duplicate content by telling search engines which version of a page is preferred. This allows search engines to index the correct page and give it the proper authority. Here are some of the benefits of using canonical tags. Improve your website SEOs. Canonical tags can help to improve your website's SEO by preventing duplicate content issues. This can lead to higher rankings in search results. Reduce duplicate content penalties. Google and other search engines may penalize websites with duplicate content. Using canonical tags can help to reduce the risk of these penalties. Improve usability. Canonical tags can help enhance your website's usability by ensuring that users are always directed to the correct version of a page. Canonical tags are a simple and effective way to prevent duplicate content issues and improve your website's SEO. You should use canonical tags to tell search engines which version is preferred. If you want to learn more about technical SEO, please subscribe to my YouTube channel to get notified once we publish new videos about technical optimization. I hope you liked this video. See you around.